HWASEUNG's newly emerging dream. Person to person. Inside and outside. World to world. HWASEUNG's efforts towards creation of a harmonious world continues. HWASEUNG Group has continued to see amazing growth through change and innovation. Through 6 core businesses of Fly High 2020, including total trade, automotive parts, materials, sportswear, fine chemicals, and footwear, we are becoming the industry leader in value innovation. We have developed a strong global management system through synergistic cooperation among 8 domestic and 15 global subsidiaries, propelling us forward as the #1 global company.
What car are you driving? No matter what it is or wherever you are, HWASEUNG's invisible technology can be found in it.
HWASEUNG RNA is HWASEUNG Group's representative enterprise recognized at home and abroad for its technology. Not only are we ranked #1 in the domestic market, but we have become a global automotive parts supplier to leading car makers like Chrysler, Ford, and Toyota. Our weather strip in particular has been selected as a world-class product by the Korean government. To diversify our business portfolio and increase our competitive edge, we have entered into the shipbuilding business. Our entry into the shipbuilding business will serve as a growth engine for expansion into new areas of business.
HWASEUNG RNA's global strategy aimed at becoming a global automotive parts company, befitting Korea's reputation as an automobile manufacturing powerhouse, represents our advancement and corporate culture. Seeing its vast lands, unlimited human resources, and future potential of the automotive industry in India, we established HWASEUNG India in 1997 and are seeing continued growth. HWASEUNG Alabama marked our entry into the U.S. market, expansion of the North American automotive parts industry, and foundation for strategic partnerships with leading American car makers. From HWASEUNG Taechang to HWASEUNG Beijing, successful examples of localization that have been chosen by the Chinese government as outstanding examples of foreign investment. HWASEUNG RNA has created a global network for automotive parts and has grown to become a world-class automotive parts company.
Highly recognized with the world's best technology and quality, this artisan spirit is the foundation to open the path to become a top global enterprise. Now let's meet the HWASEUNG Group companies from HS Materials, leading the new material industry, HS Climate Control, specializing in automotive air conditioner hoses, to HWASEUNG T&C, producing automotive parts.
HWASEUNG Climate Control Industries specializes in automotive air conditioners, combined with specialized technology and high-tech equipment We are recognized for our top quality and technology in the area of air conditioners and hoses. HWASEUNG TNC, another automotive parts company, promotes the global HWASEUNG brand through high-quality products. From door and trunk seal weather strips, air conditioner hoses, power steering hoses, oil cooler hoses, etc. HWASEUNG TNC's proprietary core automotive parts are already recognized for excellent quality. And we are also making efforts towards future development of automotive parts. At HWASEUNG Materials, we develop advanced new materials with our accumulated expertise and are making our entry into the high-tech materials market. We supply the best products such as CMB, used for national projects, the new material of the future, TPE, and silicone used in industrial applications for automobiles, machinery, shipbuilding, consumer electronics, as well as consumer goods. And with our thermoelectric, green high-tech, antibacterial, antiseptic materials, and lightweight composite materials to replace steel, etc., we are expecting a new breakthrough into the high-tech new materials business. Through bold investments in R&D, including HWASEUNG Material India and HWASEUNG Special Rubber Plant in Taichung, we are increasing our competence as a global material supplier.
In this invisible film, you'll find state-of-the-art technology. Technology that is bringing more convenience to people's lives. Technology that helps protect nature and the environment. This is the technology of HWASEUNG Industries.
We are ranked #1 in domestic market shares through production of BOPP film, PET film, breathable film, and metallized film, and export half of our manufactured goods to the Americas and Europe. HWASEUNG Industries is also focused on the development of next-generation films by operating Korea's largest R&D center specializing in films. We have also entered into markets in Shanghai, the US, and Europe, and becoming a global company in the fine chemical sector. We are also preparing for an even greater future through our entry into the packaging, footwear, and solar cell markets.
The new growth engine of the fine chemicals industry, HWASEUNG X-Will. As a company specializing in industrial rubber products, HWASEUNG X-Will supplies high-quality conveyor belts, handrails, industrial rubber hoses, high-pressure hoses, and specialized products used for ports and railways. Not only are we ranked #1 in domestic market shares, but we are continuously striving to become a global top 10 brand. We have manufacturing plants in Malaysia and China, and are advancing to become a leader in the global rubber industry.
The new symbol of HWASEUNG is Global Automotive Parts and Fine Chemicals that has grown from our long-established symbol of fashion and design. 700 retail stores throughout Korea. Yearly sales of 400 billion won. #1 customer satisfaction level among all domestic sports brands. Awarded the grand prize as a trusted company from the Korean Consumer Forum, this is the story of HWASEUNG, Korea's most representative sports company. Now let's meet the fashion of HWASEUNG.
HWASEUNG sportswear business is evolving. The combination of 50 years of accumulated expertise and HWASEUNG's world-class products are creating a synergy effect. 700 stores nationwide, 4,000 billion won in annual sales. From the top brand Le Cap, K-Swiss, which is gaining popularity with various groups of people, to Morel, the #1 global brand for outdoor sportswear. HWASEUNG's numerous sportswear brands are loved at home and abroad.
Vietnam is rising as the forefront of the global footwear industry, and HWASEUNG's relentless efforts continue on in Vietnam. 1.2 million shoes produced monthly and surplus achieved in just 1 year. Chosen as an outstanding partner among 20 Adidas factories worldwide. This is the story of HWASEUNG, the global leader of Vietnam's footwear industry. As the core company continuing HWASEUNG's reputation as Korea's representative footwear company, we are equipped with the world's best technology and products. From HWASEUNG, HS Vietnam Chemicals, to HS Vung Tau, HWASEUNG is in the global spotlight. Following our success in Vietnam, we have started another venture in Dalian, China. HS Dalian is promoting the HWASEUNG brand to the world as the leader of the global footwear market.
The spirit of challenge and creativity can be found in HWASEUNG's traditional industry of shoe manufacturing, now spreading throughout the world. It's easy to see the bright future of HWASEUNG by just looking at this pair of shoes.
A global window that connects people. HWASEUNG Networks, a total trade company that connects the world. HS Networks is opening the doors to a bigger world.
HS Networks, the future core business of HS Group, has already begun its powerful ascent to becoming Korea's quintessential total trade company through the expansion of group procurement, foreign procurement, and logistics. We are also spurring business growth through the resources business, including resource development, steel, and coal. From Vietnam, China, the US, India, South America to Africa, we are advancing into new frontiers and redrawing the global distribution map.
Human connection that connects person to person and heart to heart. HWASEUNG practices love in action. Extensive welfare support operations including the Korean Association for Children with Leukemia and Cancer. From steady support for sports including the HWASEUNG Oz gaming team, basketball, marathons, and walkathons. Educational support, which include the Beautiful Schools Project and the Nanum Up School Support Project, to continuous support for cultural performances. HWASEUNG Socially Responsible Management practices our corporate social responsibility and love and hope in action.
These are the challenges HWASEUNG has overcome and the many successes it has made to become a global enterprise. Overcoming hardships and adversities to become an enterprise that is making a brighter future for everyone. The enterprise helping people's dreams come true through the latest technologies and pioneering spirit. I'm happy I could introduce HWASEUNG to you today. I'm Jeffrey Jones. Thank you.
HWASEUNG is reaching higher and further into the world to realize the dreams of our global citizens, to put a smile on their faces. HWASEUNG's Fly High never stops. Further, more powerfully, we will realize HWASEUNG's new value. Fly high, HWASEUNG.